Chapter 17, Example 4. We don't know it, but 52% of voters plan to vote yes in the upcoming school budget. We poll a random sample of 300 voters. What might the percentage of yes votes appear to be in our poll? So again, we'll use that empirical rule again to just describe this. We have a random sample and would expect 156 yes votes, 144 no votes, both at least 10. We found those by doing 300 times 0.52 and 300 times 0.48, the probability of a no vote. Also, 300 voters is less than 10% of all voters. So the sampling model for the proportion of yes votes can be modeled with a normal model. Okay, P equals 0.52, that's a proportion. NP, the expected value, sigma will equal the square root of 0.52 times 0.48 divided by our sample size, 300. So the probability of success times probability of failure divided by the sample size, which equals 0.0288. We have a normal model, N 0.52, 0.288. So now let's look at our curve real quick. Proportion of yes votes and 300 votes. We set up our empirical rule, 68, 95, 99, 7, putting our standard deviation and our mean in there. Always sketch the curve. According to the normal model, we expect 68% of samples of 50 voters to have proportions of yes votes between 0.491 and 0.549. (95% of samples to have proportions between 0.462 and 0.576. And 0.578. And 99.7% of samples to have proportions between 0.433 and 0.607. Between 0.433 and 0.607.